bibimbap, japchae, and dumplings. Where?
Look, Tita! I found Barbie!
What is this?
It's the playground.
No, it's not.
Caabay playground.
Good morning, everyone! Welcome back to another vlog. Sobrang late na naman ako nagising, of course, kasi ang tawag nito, nagpuyat na naman ako kagabi, and kaninang paggising ko, nakita ko ang daming tawag sa akin ng ER. Diyos ko, makakatanggap ata ako ng IR nito. Wow, ballerina! Good morning, Naning! Say good morning. Morning! Saan ka nag-sleep?
Mommy.
Kay mommy, ayaw na niya mag-sleep kay tita. Hindi na kami best friends. Tsaka huwag nyo na siyang love. Kasi hindi na kami best friends.
There's a donut in my pajama.
There's a donut in your pajama? Yes! Ang dami yan. Sarap naman yan. Kailangan ko munang mag-edit, guys. Kasi ina-upload ko na. Tapos wala pa akong thumbnail para dun sa ina-upload ko for today. So, yung plan ko for today na may mga gagawin na ako, parang hindi siya mangyayari kasi pupunta to kaming SM. Kasi last week pa nag-aayos si mama ko na pupuntang SM. So, pagbigyan naman. Hey guys, so update. Alis na kami. Palis na kami ng bahay. Hey everyone! Nag-away kami ni Bebe kanina. Kasi sabi niya, hindi niya daw niya ako best friend.
Ay, nagtalis kay Maxi!
Maxi! Kalma lang, mother. Kalma. Ano na yung sinasabi ko? Nag-away kami kanina ni Bebe. Kasi ayaw niya maligo. Tapos sabi niya ganun, hindi na kita best friend. Sabi niya, o di wag. Sabi ko, wag ka na maligo sa CR ko. Umiyak-iyak siya. Oh, perfect lighting. Wag dyan sa'yo. Dapat ganun. Just so. Perfect! Hindi na Josie! Take two! Perfect! Josie! Juma! How does it taste? Taste like what? Strawberry chocolate? Yum! Let's eat bibimbap, japchae, and dumplings. Bibimbap. And you're eating ice cream. Where are we going? Where are we going?
Here. Tita, I want to pick some books because my classmate teacher, she said want a book.
Wala ka namang classmate, di ka namang pumapasok.
Over here, Tita. Over here.
Sus, my goodness, ang mahal naman ng gusto mong book. What book?
There's a humor book letter. Look, Tita, there's a bench standing there.
Who's that?
Doc Mac stuffing.
Doc
Oh,
Mac stuffing. How much is this?
Doc Mac stuffing.
Oh, Frozen. It's Anna's book of secrets. And
And
see,
look,
there's a lock here.
Look, Tita, and Elsa's book.
There's Sophia, anta na.
Look, Tita.
Look, anta na. Ay, punit na. Ay. There's a book. Here, look. Whoa. Wow. There's a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where?
Look, Tita. I found Barbie. I found Barbie.
It's expensive. Anta na. Pabili na lang tayo kay Lolo.
Baby, we can buy something. Tita, we can buy Minnie Mouse.
We can buy Minnie Mouse.
Yeah.
Let's
Oh,
look for...
buy this one.
How about this one?
Tita, let's buy
Ah,
this
coloring book.
one.
What's
Let's
this?
buy It's a Legoland.
Ano to? Helicopter yan.
I'm big dead.
Let's look for more. Come.
Okay, but I want a Lego. Wait, it's a Sophia Banco. No, why? Sophia. But how about the Spider-Man?
Spider-Man.
What's this?
Who's that?
Who is Disney princess?
Disney princess.
Disney princess.
Let me see. Cannot see. Who's that?
Venture garbage. Queen car.
McQueen cars. Who's that?
And Rapunzel, Snow White.
Ala, bakit alam mo silang lahat?
Oh, this is like Snow White.
That's si Cinderella.
That is Cinderella. And the princess. Never see this one before.
You never see this one before.
Cars, Disney cars here. Oh, how about this? Look at the family.
Nagre-reklamo na ang madam. How much is this?
$10.
$10. This one is only $5.
I will want this one.
You want this? What is this? This is what?
It's a helicopter. Go to the sea and fly, and we have to build.
We have to build. Do you know how to build this one?
Yeah. So this one says, out to the camp and over here, and the trees. And now, let's go, people. I want
Choose one from
this
these two.
I want this one.
I like this one better. This is helicopter. This one can fly. You bring that back there. I just want to buy pens. So are we good? Are we good? Okay, let's go. Guys, we are here in Penshoppe. Ang gulo-gulo. Tana, come here. Jump. Jump on this. Come, let's go. Tanggal daw muna ng suso. Hi, brother. Ang ganda ng lighting. Sana ganito yung lighting sa kwarto natin. Ang tana. One little monkey jumping on a bed. This is not a bed. What is this? It's a chair. What is this?
It's a playground.
No, it's not.
Shopping playground.
Come on, dance. Dance. Dance, little monkey. Dance, little monkey. Come on, dance. Dance, monkey.
Ganyan ang gusto niyang bed.
Oh, Tito, alis ka dyan, Tito. Diyan mo nakatan. Oh, ikot, dali. Ano ba namang vlogger to? Para sa vlog.
There. Yung nerve.
This is for the vlog, kamo. Oh, you're gonna fall. Nag-split daw si Minnie. Yung pet niya, may itim. Tapos yung chan mo, oh.
Let's dance onto the bed.
Let's dance on the bed.
Napatintod ko lang kanya. Napatintod ko lang kanya.
Ano, nag-exercise. Ang galing naman, Felicity.
1, 2, 3. Di ba may abs ka, ate? Lagi tayo mag-abs nito namin, ha?
Ayun na niyang umalis. Nagda-dance pa daw kasi siya. Ongoing pang dancing. Tara na, uwi na tayo. Alis na tayo.
Balik na ako dito.
Halika dito kasi madaming tao. Want to go to Ilocana. We are here at photo line kasi magpapapicture kami. Everyone, oh yeah. We'll take a picture together. All of us will take a picture. Oh, across this store sa Kidzuna. Oo, magkikidzuna tayo after. Huh? Yan, doon. Tita Jessa, excuse po. Yan yung Kidzuna. We are here again in Parisian. Hi, bebe! What did you buy? What did you buy? Show them what you bought.
I got blind bag
Hello, panda.
and I got this.
Another chocolate. And then
Water bottle.
water bottle. Who is this inside the water bottle?
Peppa.
Peppa. And then
George.
and George. Peppa and George.
Yeah.
What
this is
else?
my favorite.
Where is your cotton candy?
And
Where's your candy?
Like that. And like this open
Yung
this.
puti ako.
See? Press how to open the one. And we are back home, guys, and I'm just kinda disappointed kasi I left my video uploading na nakaschedule siya na sana for 7 p.m. will be up na siya sana ngayon. But then when I was in SM a while ago, I was checking my phone and yun, bakit sabi ko ba't ko lang notification. And that's it. Hindi pa siya na-publish. So that is my July favorite. So, ipapublish ko na siya kahit 10 p.m. na. So, yan. Ang daming pinagdaanan ng July favorite ko. One thing, kagabi, hindi siya nagre-render sa video. Ang tagal ko, inulit-ulit ko siya na film. And thus, hindi siya nagre-render ng maayos. Inulit ko na naman. 2 beses kong ni-render yan. And, ang pagka-publish, bongga, ayaw na naman. So, yun, ang dami niya pinagdaanan. Grabe. That's it, guys, for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching us sa mga pinagagagawa namin ni Baby Kels. Yun lang naman. Ang hirap mag-vlog kanina dun, guys. Gusto ko sana habang lalakad ako, nagve-vlog ako. Ang daming tao. As in, nagkakabungguan na kami. Sunday kasi, kaya sobrang daming tao. Ayun. Wala kami maupuan kanina sa sa lahat ng mga kainan. Kahit sa food court, nagantay pa kami. So, ang hassle talaga pag Sunday. So yun, guys, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe and like this video if you did like it. Until then, I'll see you on my next one. Bye. Mwah.